Now let us consider the AVL tree. The definition of the AVL tree is given over here. Before going into the definition, the AVL tree is also called as self-balanced binary search tree, or it can also called as high balanced binary search tree. As I said that this is one of the self-balanced binary search tree. There could be many methods that comes under self-balanced binary search tree. The other popular trees are red black tree, splay tree, B tree and so on. Now let us define the AVL tree now. The AVL tree is nothing but a BST. BST is nothing but binary search tree. It is a binary search tree, and for every node X, the difference between the left subtree and the right subtree can differ at most by 1. So the same definition that we have given for the balance factor. So HL stands for height of the left subtree, HR stands for height of the right subtree, and take the absolute. That value should be less than or equal to 1. Okay, and this tree is named after the two inventors whose names are Adelson Welsky and then Landis, which was proposed in 1962. So AVL, the tree is named as AVL tree. Now let us define according to this definition which is AVL tree and which is not an AVL tree. So according to this, now let us take this root node. Okay, if it has the left subtree and the right subtree, now this is the height of the left subtree, which is HL, and then let's say this is HR. Since both are at the same level, okay, the difference of this node is 0, so this is a valid AVL tree. Okay, similarly let us consider the other part. Let's say this is the height of the left subtree, which is HL. Okay, this is HL for this tree, and let's say this is HR, the height of the right subtree, and this is the root node. Fine. Now you can see the height is differed. The difference could be at most 1. Okay, so since this is lesser than, left side is lesser than the right side, okay, this minus this can have -1. Okay, the difference is -1, and this is also a valid. So the balance factor for this is -1, and this is also a valid AVL tree. Now let us do the next one, which is take the height of the left subtree, which is HL, and then right subtree, which is HR. The difference is 1. Okay, now the difference, since the left subtree is greater, we can have +1 here. This is the root node. This is also valid AVL tree according to the definition. Now which one is not an AVL tree? Now let me give an example for that. Let us consider the tree which is of skewed in nature. Okay, now let us consider this tree. Okay, now according to this definition, this node, okay, this node satisfies the property of the AVL tree because the balance factor for this node is 0. So this node satisfies the property of the BST, self-balanced BST, and according to the definition, the balance factor for this node is left is 0 and then right side is of height 1. So the balance factor is -1 for this, so this also satisfies. But when we come here, it does not have any left child, but it has the height 2. Okay, so the balance factor is not satisfied. Okay, it is more than -1 or 1 or 0. So the property of the self-balanced binary search tree is violating for this node, and for this node is also violating that property, and this also violating that property. So the whole tree is not an AVL tree. Okay.